Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Famam Education Hub. Students, today we are going to learn the subject of Basic Accounting, in which we have a topic Cost Accounting Cycle. Student, this topic is taken from the book of Professor Suhail Afzal. Students, this problem is belong to cost accounting cycle, but this problem is different one from others problems which are belong to the cost accounting cycle. Students, in this problem the opening inventories and closing inventories are given, and as well as it all those costs which are occurred during a month is also given, like as material purchased, use of deductible cost, use of factory overhead applied, and use of material cost here. Students, let's move to read this problem firstly carefully, and after that we have to solve this problem stepwise. Student, problem number 4.15, which is taken from the book of Professor Suhail Afzal. Flow of cost. Nida Atari Company Limited had following inventories at the beginning and end of the month. Friends, following inventories are at the beginning and end of the month. Raw materials October 1st, October 1st, work in process material, work in process labor, work in process FH, finished goods inventories. These are the opening inventories. During the month of October, the cost of raw materials purchase was 1,20,000 rupees. Direct labor cost incurred was rupees 60,000, and factory overhead applied to production rupees 60,000 rupees here. On 31st October, inventories, raw materials, work in process materials, work in process labor, work in process FH, finished goods inventories are given as a closing inventories. The requirement is prepare the necessary general entries on October. First, to transfer the goods manufactured and sold to proper summary accounts. Students, for this purpose, we have to prepare the ledger accounts against the raw materials, working process materials, working process labor, working process FH and finished goods. Firstly, for this we have to move the other slide. These are the ledger account against the raw materials, working process materials, working process labor, working process FH and finished goods inventory. Students, you are looking here raw materials ledger in which the balancing figure as opening is 50,000 rupees. You can see here in the opening inventories the raw materials balancing is 50,000 rupees, as well as the material purchased during the month is 1,22,000 rupees, which is put in given ledger as a debit form, 50,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees as a debit side, and the balancing figure is 46,000 rupees, which is showing in the ending ending inventories like as from readers 46,000 rupees, which is put in given ledger as a balancing figure 46,000 rupees here. Student, the difference between this 1,24,000 rupees, which is this material is transferred to the working process material. Now in working process material, balancing figure is 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. This is the opening inventory as a working process material, 20,000 rupees, and ending inventory as a working process material is 10,000 rupees. We have to use this cost in given ledger. Here 20,000 rupees as opening balance and 10,000 rupees as a closing balance. Here the material used in the production is 1,24,000 rupees, which is used in the debit form. Here the difference, the balance against is 1,34,000 rupees, which is transferred to the finished goods here. Now students, in working process labor, opening inventory is 30,000 rupees and ending closing inventory is 180,000 rupees. Now we will move the main slide in ledgers. Opening inventory is 30,000 rupees and ending inventory is 80,000 rupees. The direct labor cost used in the production is 60,000 rupees here. The direct labor cost is 60,000 rupees, which is charged in ledger. Here, students, the balancing figure is as a working process labor is 30,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees direct cost which is occurred during the month, and the balancing figure is 80,000 rupees. The difference is transferred to the finished goods as a 72,000 rupees here. The balancing figure 72,000 rupees is charged to the free goods here. Now working process FOH. The working process FOH opening balance is 12,000 rupees and the closing balance is 8,000 rupees and the factor applied cost is 60,000 rupees here. Now we charge these account values the cost in given ledger. Here the opening balance is 12,000 rupees. The factor applied cost is 60,000 rupees and the balancing figure is 8,000 rupees. The difference in them is 64,000 rupees which is charged to the finished goods here. Now in finished goods ledgers, the opening balancing figure finished goods is 28,000 rupees and the closing finished goods inventory is 44,000 rupees, which is charged as a opening balance and closing balance here. Now material used in the production is 1,34,000 rupees, which is you can see here. This is 1,34,000 rupees which is charged to the finished goods. Now this is debited in the ledger of finished goods here. Working process labor is 72,000 rupees. Here is 72,000 rupees which charged to finished goods here. Now working process FOH is 64,000 rupees here. Finished goods, this is charged to the finished goods 64,000 rupees here. The closing balance is 44,000 rupees. The difference is charged to the cost of goods sold 2,54,000 rupees here. Now students, these are the additional working which has done in front of you, and now we will move the main slide to pass the all entries in journal. Now you can see that 1,20,000 rupees you purchased during the month, which is charged material account to the payable account here, 1,20,000 rupees here, same as 1,20,000 rupees here as was payable. Now materials used in the production is 55,000 rupees. 55,000 rupees where here you can see here. You can see here. ₹1,24,000 here. Students, now we charge ₹1,24,000 here as a material sent to in production, and payroll is ₹60,000, and also factor applied is also ₹60,000 here. Students, the working process material is ₹1,24,000 here, and working process labor is ₹60,000 here, and the working process FOH is ₹60,000 here. Students, this is the entry which is passed against the material, payroll, and factory overhead applied to production. Now we move below. Now students, you can see again in ledgers ₹1,34,000 cost charged to the finished goods inventory, finished goods account as a material. You can also see here working process labor is ₹72,000 charged to finished goods, and also you can see here working process FOH ₹64,000 charged to the finished goods here. Now we charge all the costs here, ₹1,34,000 as a material, ₹72,000 as a factory working process labor, and ₹64,000 as a working process factor overhead in against the 2,54,000 rupees here. Student, this is the cost of goods manufactured. This is the cost of goods manufactured. Now, what is the amount of cost of goods sold? Which is, you can see here. This is the 2,54,000 rupees as a cost of goods sold here. So here is mistake, 2,70,000 rupees. 70,000 rupees here. Now cost of goods sold is 2,54,000 rupees here. And finished goods is credited 2,54,000 rupees here. Student, this is the second requirement, cost of goods sold. And this is the first requirement, cost of goods manufactured, which is in front of you. Students, we have passed all the entries against this problem. I hope you have understood and clear about this problem with the help of ledgers. Students, if you have any queries, any problems, any difficulties in given problems, please contact me in my channel comments so I can try my best to remove your problem at once. Students, it is requested before you, please, if you have learned and cleared about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Take care. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.